Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to unsubscribe from Zeus in 2025. If you're subscribed to Zeus for its movies, shows, or live events but need to cut back on costs or just take a break, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but we'll go step by step to ensure you don't miss a thing. First off, why unsubscribe? Well, in 2025, Zeus might have updated its interface, but the core steps remain user-friendly. Start by opening the Zeus app or website on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't, enter your credentials to get started. Once you're in, head over to the account settings. You can usually find this by tapping on your profile icon in the top corner or searching for Settings in the menu. Look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Membership Details. This is where the magic happens. Now, select your Zeus subscription from the list. You'll see an option to manage it, like Cancel Subscription or Unsubscribe. Click on that, and Zeus will likely prompt you with a confirmation screen. It might ask why you're leaving. Feel free to skip this if you want, but your feedback could help improve the service. After confirming, double-check your email for a verification message from Zeus. This is crucial because it often includes details on when your subscription ends and any refunds if applicable. And just like that, you're unsubscribed. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, like buttons not working, try updating the app or clearing your cache. If that doesn't help, reach out to Zeus customer support through their help center. They're usually pretty responsive. There you have it, folks. Unsubscribing from Zeus doesn't have to be a hassle. If this guide saved you time, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to videos, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.